back to another video, and the car is finally back on the channel. Finally! It has been like a month since we actually posted a video on it, but that's alright, because it's back, finally. And I also just want to say, we have just hit 100 subscribers, which I wanted to do by the end of the year, and we are now like, I don't know, a month and a half away from it, or like just over a month away. That's insane! Guys, that's nuts. I cannot believe we've already hit that. I cannot thank you enough. And this person sat next to me is really, really eager to tell you something. So before he punches me and knocks me out, I'm gonna let him talk first.
Did you know about the giveaway on the channel?
Seriously? What's that?
Yeah, we're giving away a pair of shoes of your choice, 1,000 subscribers.
Oh, I can win a pair of shoes of my choice? That's awesome.
Yeah, but we have to get to 1,000 subscribers first.
How do I enter?
So to enter, you need to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, the link's in the description, and then you need to find the post that says giveaway, and then you need to like that post, and in the description, you need to put your YouTube handle and what pair of shoes you want to win. And once you've done that, you're entered. And if you want an extra entry, repost it onto your story.
Really? That easy? Only those 4 steps? Oh, amazing. Then you guys should go and enter too. Enter yourselves right now. A couple links will be in the description to go and do so. So why not waste your time? The odds are super high. No one's entered yet. So go enter yourselves. Anyway, let's get back to the video, shall we? Let's get down to the car and let's get down to the issues that we are sorting today, because there are a couple. Right then, if you guys seen my previous video on my car, there's my cap, you'd have seen things that are actually wrong with it. Now, I've actually got one of those things that I'm going to be fixing right now. So here is the car. Now let's get in. Bro, you actually have to unlock the car first. Are you done? Here is the thing that I've actually bought to fix the car. I got this off Amazon. A box. A really lovely box. No. So, in this amazing box is a new air vent, because I've got a fat hole here in my car, which... yeah, so this here is a fat hole that's meant to look like that, but it's not looking like that right now because the other one's broken. It's actually right here in my boot, and as you can see, this thing is, yeah, it's past its time. Doesn't look too good, Brev. And then we've also got my glove box, which is broken. As you can see, these like little clips don't clip on, but we haven't got a replacement one, so it'll have to be in the next video when I actually fix the car. But for now, this is just gonna have to do. So let's get this installed very quickly, because I think it's only going to take about a minute or so. Alright, so here is the vent. Like I said, I think, from what I believe, this should just push into place and it should hopefully go in. Let's give that a go and let's see if that works. Please do it, please do it. Oh, something went in. Oh shit, is this one going to go in as well? No. Oh dear. Oh dear, I don't want to break another one. Yeah, it's not looking good, Brev. I thought you meant to just push it in and it's done. Come on, please. Yes, I think another one went in. And another one, please. Oh dear. Okay, this hasn't quite gone to plan. Oh, maybe it can still go to plan. Yes! And we turn the hazards on. Right, there we go. I believe that is now in place. I mean, I might need to change the other ones. That's like... Oh, no, it does wiggle. That one doesn't wiggle. Yeah, it does. What am I on about? But anyway, there we go. That is the replacement one. Finally, we've got a vent cover back, which is lovely. That kind of just makes the car look a little bit more whole again. I quite like that. It has got a glossy finish on, whereas these are cold to the touch metal, so I might change this one over really quickly back to the original one, because it looks a lot better, to be honest. But, and yeah, obviously that's cold to touch metal. It's cast aluminium, whereas this is plastic. I think I've got it in the boot somewhere. Let's go grab it. Alrighty, so it seems like we don't have that, so it's just gonna have to stay as this plasticky one, but that's alright. It feels the same. It looks the same. Tell you what, it feels more in place though, because when I move that side to side, it doesn't move that. Anyway, doesn't matter. that is now fitted. Next up is the screen. Alright, so now we actually have got to fit the screen properly. As right now, this is got no bracket on it. So it's kind of just loose. As you can see, I don't know if you can quite see like the panel gap on it there. That's meant to be like flush. So I was literally just touching this. Am I right? I mean, it's literally that, like that. So yeah, it's a bit annoying that it's like that. But it's because we're missing this bracket right here, which it should clip onto, because there's so many cables sticking out the back of it. I can't do that. Oh, hi, it's me, right? Right, so first off, we need to actually just pull this out of the car. So the way you do it is you should have like these little, what would you call it, like a key kind of, that you need to just push into the holes like this until they're in, like that, and then into this one too, like that. And then if you kind of, this can be a pain sometimes, if you push them kind of outwards and pull, the screen will come with it. There we go. So that is the screen now out almost. It's kind of wedged in here, shouldn't be, there's nothing holding it in. This is not looking good, Brev. Fucking hell, I think I just pulled half the dash off with it. I did. Alright, so yeah, there's a lot of mess going on back here, as you can see. So here is what the back of it's looking like, with all of these cables and stuff. Here you go, guys. So one of these is GPS. I can't remember which one. It should say on it which one it is. Christ almighty. GPS. Is there more down here that's like fell down or something? There is. It might be this actually. Whatever's connected onto this. Yes. So this here is my GPS antenna. So I need to run this through somewhere. So I can actually use my GPS, because right now we cannot use it, which is slightly frustrating. But I think this is sticky. Or is it just magnetic? Why am I trying to stick it to aluminium? Am I alright? Yeah, it's magnetic. Okay. So, we need to run this cable down past where the OBD port is, which is somewhere down here. If we try and run this through, there is a hole here, which I might be able to run it through, hopefully. Oh, come on, come through. Yes. Almost. Oh, bastard. Okay, GPS is in. Now this frame, I don't actually know how it goes in here, but it goes in here somehow. Just trying to think what way it would be. Would it sit on it like this? Or would it sit on it like this? Is there any clips? Aha. Maybe it does go in this way. Like that. Oh, there we go. The frame's like just clipped into place. It won't move now. So that's good. And we know the screen goes in. I wonder if the way the screen goes in, I wonder if we do it like this. So, if we take these little things again, push them in here and push them in here, push them all the way through so they're literally pushing these back, like that. And we'll do the same on this side. If we tried that, and then, it might be too far in actually. And then if we go, I don't know, it just won't go in. Oh, I know why it's not going in now, because they're in the way. Even still. Fuck if myth. Now they're stuck. Oh dear. Jeez, okay, these are quite so stuck now. Is this one coming out? No. Fuck. Okay, so here I was actually really struggling to get the keys out of the screen so I could fit it properly, which is also a real big struggle. but eventually we did manage to get the screen in after quite a bit of hard work. It's in. I swear to God, if this don't work now, oh, I'm actually gonna murder somebody. No, I'm not. That's bad. That's a bad thing to say. It's better work. Oh, hang on. Woo! Still works. Thank God for that. I haven't got maps. Come on. I don't know if we have maps. Always in dark mode, please. Thank you very much. Maybe we'll give it internet connection. It's nice and fast, give it that. Internet. We'll turn on my hotspot. Right, we're connected. Can we go on maps now? Who the hell is just sign in for Google Maps? You're joking me. Well, we've got a blue ping in the middle of somewhere. Let me just open the door and see if we get proper maps. Oh, we got maps. Alright, well. Oh my days, boys. The screen may not look perfect. We might have a fat ass panel gap there, but tell you what, it's in there for now, so it will have to do. Better than what it was before, in all honesty. But yeah, so this is a pumpkin screen. Had it for a while, and I've been waiting also to do this for a while. Not shut my door, but we've got this to peel off. That I've been waiting to fit the screen like this before I can actually peel this off. Here we go, finally. There we go. This random bit of plastic that's been on the screen for a while is now off. And the screen feels like a screen. Interesting. Well, that is basically everything I can fix for now. There are more things need to do. Obviously, we still miss a bloody glove box over here. I don't know if you can see that. Missed the camera up there. But we're missing that glove box over there. That was an absolute nightmare, boys. But I tell you what, we've got it fitted. I just need to find somewhere to put the GPS now. Might try to put it on my driver's side so that it's next to me. But I will get this fitted, probably off camera actually. But that is finally, we'll turn the ignition off. That is finally the screen fitted properly, and we've got an air vent cover back in now. I mean, it may not look as good. Obviously, it's got cold touch metal on that one, plastic on that one, but it doesn't really matter. Finally, the car is getting back together piece by piece. Outro time. Alright guys, that is unfortunately everything that we can do to the car today because we're missing a glove box and I haven't quite got time to do the speakers because it's starting to get dark. Mate, I hate winter time. For one, it's cold, and two, it gets dark so fast, it's actually dead. So yeah, we're going to leave it there today. We've got a couple plans for how we're going to move the car forward. So I think we'll be back here in 2 weeks to fix the rest of the issues, like the speakers and the glove box. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. We've also found out, well, I keep saying we, I have found out another big issue with the car that definitely needs addressing and definitely needs fixing, because if we don't fix it, then the car could break badly and get me into a bad crash. So we're definitely going to have to sort that out. But other than that, I think basically going forward with the car, we've just got to fix a couple of things. And then finally, once it's fully fixed, we can actually start adding things to it and start properly making it unique. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Go and enter yourselves into that giveaway. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next Sunday where we'll be testing many different off-brand Yeezy slides or foam runners. I haven't decided which one yet. So make sure to not miss that and subscribe to the channel. Anyway guys, stay healthy, stay fit, stay sexy, stay beautiful, because I know you watching this right now, yeah, you're a gorgeous boy. Not girl, I can't say that because my missus will knock me out. But you're definitely a gorgeous boy. So anyway guys, I'll see you next week on Sunday. Peace out. Bye.
There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
I always do this bit here where I take my hand off the camera and say hi. So this time, I don't know, this time, just want to quickly refresh my sub account and see if I've got more subs. Nope, still chilling on 109 subs. Anyway, guys, cheers, thanks, bye.